And one of the jobs that lawyers have, whether they're working in a collaborative situation or in a court situation or just having a client in the office, when we as lawyers have a client in the office, and everybody, by the way, who's going through a separation or divorce is anxious, is nervous, is worried about their present and future situation, they're going through a traumatic event in their life. So it's very human and natural for them to feel very emotional. Having said that, you don't want the emotionals to cloud their ability to make reasonable and responsible decisions for themselves and for their children. And so the job of the lawyer is to be able to identify when someone is so emotional, maybe so angry or resentful, that it clouds their ability to do the right thing and make the right choices. And so what we do oftentimes is we learn to discern that from the client and then refer them to proper resources, whether it's to a therapist or counseling, or maybe to speak to their family and friends just to get some context at the way they're feeling so that they can channel their emotions and deal with it in a way that is productive and helpful for them to be able to move forward with their lives. There are passions and emotions that are actually helpful, and there are emotions that actually can serve as an obstacle to resolution. And if somebody is so angry that their husband or their wife cheated on them or decided to end the relationship and they didn't know anything about it until they found out that the person wanted to end the relationship, they could be dealing with so many emotions, different levels of emotions, denial, anger, fear, frustration, that it actually could affect their ability to make choices. And if they can't make a choice, how is a lawyer going to help them? Because they might be making the wrong choice, telling the lawyer what choice they want, when in fact the lawyer knows full well that they don't want that. They want something different, but because they're so angry, this is what they say they want, and that's why we have a responsibility to be able to identify that and help them find the right method to deal with it.